just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I'll miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever and we'll have some fun.
I swear I lived. Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after.
You know how you told me I should do whatever it takes to fix my marriage?
Yeah. I told you to give Emily whatever she wants.
And while that was good advice, you should know that what she wants is for me not to see you anymore.
That's crazy. You can't do that. What are you going to tell her? Oh, my God. Oh, you've already agreed to this, haven't you?
It's awful, I know. I mean, I feel terrible, but I have to do this if I want my marriage to work, and I do. I have to make this marriage work. I have to.
Mother Earth transcends.
Drop it on my car.
Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. It's the vibe, it's gonna really.
I'm your brother. 10 gallons.
I'll bring them down, down.
Everybody shut up! I'm my field!
Hey, look everyone, if you're a Slytherin, this is seriously evil.
picture of me, taking a picture. Gonna wear that tissue like skin tight, do my hair real nice, and sink up in my skin to how you breathe. Cause I just wanna look good for you, good for you.
I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
We'll be a fine line. We'll be a fine line. We'll be a fine line.
Mischief managed.
I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know.
If these till I die, all these lowlies call me. Try saying that 5 times faster. For her. Shawty so kawaii and would die for her. Ride and watch hentai all the time with me.
Saying that 5 times faster.
She knows what I think about and what I think about.
Die, Harry. Lose a leg or an arm. Pack it in all together. Never.
One second, you're on.
Thank you. Into the cauldron, handsome. How much for this? 5 galleons. How much for me? 5 galleons. I'm your brother. 10 galleons.
Fair warning. Tastes like goblin piss.
Have lots of experiences with that, do you, Maddo? Just trying to diffuse the tension.
The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet.
Young lovers with the legs tied up in love, with his long tall gun popping everything to blow the hail off their head straight off.
Cause I'm cool with for the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim light stage like a laser tag.
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
Walking past the mirror, ooh, get my fine. Let her try me, boom, hammer time. I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like mornings.
Ready, Fred? Ready, George?
Bottoms up.
She going ham on my, she going ham on my, she going ham on my dick tonight. She not with him tonight. She not with Jim tonight. She in the gym tonight.